These transitions will work with all video editing software. Let me show you how to apply these transitions in Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD 1080p 30fps resolution preset. Let's import video clips. Place it to the timeline. Now let's import transitions. Place transition clip to the timeline. Place second video clip like that. Select the razor tool and cut the clip where transition ends. Go to Effects tab and search for Track Matte key. Apply it to the video 2-layer clip. Go to the Effects control panel. In Track Matte key effect, set Composite using to Matte Luma. Set Matte to Video 3, which is the transitions layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.